Everyone, Megs here again, and I'm back with another personality unit, and this unit is by one of my favorite companies, Myfirstwig. I've been using Myfirstwig for years, and this is the box that my unit came in. A really cute satin-like bag to store your wigs, some essentials for beginner-friendly tools that you need, like these clips. These come in handy. This comb, this comes in handy. I love this kind of comb. And a wig cap that is dark enough for my skin tone because I love that. I love a dark wig cap, and also a lace melting band. So I do have my hair in plaits, nice and moisturized, and I'm gonna place the wig cap on my head. You can do the bald cap method if you choose to. I take my wigs off each night, so I don't. But this unit here by Myfirstwig is a blunt cut, long bob, glueless, invisible lace front wig. And the texture of this unit is a Yaki texture. I really love their Yaki textures. And look at this lace, y'all. Deep bleached, okay? Pre-plucked hairline. That's what I like, okay? And you can go glueless with this. I also really love the Yaki texture, and it is Indian hair, but the texture is Yaki. This texture looks the most natural in my opinion. Super shiny, very soft. I did wash and condition this hair prior to using it, and that's important. So the cap construction is really good. So this is a 13x6, and the density of this unit is 160 density, okay? And it does have combs in it, and I love the lace. It's really thin, like you can see through it, and the knots are really nice and small, and it's pre-bleached, so you don't have to really do anything. And so I'm really excited to see how this will melt and lay on my skin, being that the lace is nice and thin. It does have some adjustable straps, a comb at the nape, and an additional elastic band strap for even more security to go glueless if you choose to. So I am going to apply a little bit of foundation onto my lace. I always do this with my lace because I do wear makeup and I want it to mesh and match. So this is what it looks like. I put it all over the unit here, and with this unit you do have quite a bit of parting space as well. So when I adjusted all the straps, everything together, it was tight, okay? I was like, whoa, I actually can go glueless with this, okay? It's not moving. It's very, very secure, okay? I almost couldn't get it on. That's how I was able to adjust the straps to really be secure, okay? So this bad boy isn't going anywhere. And you know what? I'm loving the hairline so much. I was thinking right here in this moment, I was like, I'm going to keep it just going straight back like this because this is cute. I used to wear my hair like this in high school, just kind of like going all straight back. And so I'm really loving how the lace is looking so far, even before I cut it. So I'm just making sure right here that I like it. And I really like how the hairline looks extremely natural, okay? So natural. I love this so much. And it's very lightweight. It's breathable. So it's a nice air lace too. So it's so thin. I had to push my wig cap back just a little bit so it wouldn't show through the lace in the front. But I really do think the ball cap method would be ideal for this. Like, y'all, I'm telling y'all, Myfirstwig has improved their lace and their wig and their hair quality tremendously over the years, because I'm kind of like an OG. So I remember when Myfirstwig first came out, and this is crazy how wigs have transformed, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace, and cutting the lace off was very easy, very straight to the point. I did kind of like zigzag motions to give it a natural look, and I decided I need to cut just a little bit more off, and so I did put a little bit of foundation onto the hairline, very small amount. So with this, you can see you definitely can go glueless, okay? You can part this in many different ways for the look that you can desire. You can do a side part, you can do a center part. I always do a center or side part, so I wanted to try something a little different, but the parting is amazing. It looks very natural. There are no exposed knots giving that clockable look. Okay, this looks very, very natural, and the hair quality is really nice. I did not have any shedding, and I really think it would be cute. I was having a moment, a 2000s moment. I used to wear my hair like that. I really feel like this would last pretty long because the texture is really easy to maintain. So I did apply a little silk and seal, flat iron the wig. It only needed like one pass. And I'm going to take my Sebastian Shaper Plus hairspray, just spray it in place. What I also really loved with this unit, there were no flyaways. This wig is like basically perfect, okay? So I am gonna hot comb the edges just to get a sleeker look in the front. It's pretty much already sleek, but I just wanted to, you know, smooth it out a little bit more to have a particular look. So boom. That's it. So if you choose to go glueless, you definitely can. Me personally, I wanted to see how it would melt. Okay, I wanted to see. So I'm just applying a little bit of the ORS wig grip spray. And I really like this wig grip spray because it's really nice and gentle. A little bit goes a long way. So I only applied like a little amount. Like I didn't even need to use a lot of this to you know, get the look that I'm going for, okay? So now I'm going to go ahead and put on the melting band. And I really like with this band that it's long enough to where I can, you know, tie it where I need to tie it. So I left this on for about 10 minutes, and I imagine if I would have left this on longer, what would it have gave? It probably would have gave even more melted. But in that little time, it gave me this, and I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. I like it a lot. The lace melted great, okay, and there's no kind of like weird flashbacky look. The lace is really nice and thin. The hair is really soft, no tangles. It's a blunt cut, but I also noticed it kind of looks asymmetrical in some areas. I'm not sure if I'm describing that correctly, but it kind of seems longer in the front and rests on the back of my neck really cute. So I really like that. I thought that was cute, okay? This hair is really, really nice quality too. I didn't have any tangling at the nape area. Very easy to maintain. I really feel like this would be like an easy, low manipulation, low effort wig. You kind of just throw on and go and take it off at night, put it on a wig head, brush it out, and it's ready to go. Like you can wear this. There's no need to like keep flat ironing it or keep having to maintain it. It just is. You know, you want to just is wig. Okay, and I like it. Very lightweight, very breathable. And this is what I was talking about with the back area. The sides appear longer on me than they do the back, but I'm not mad at it. The cut is really nice and clean. I love that. The shine is there. I like this. Okay, I like this a lot. This is probably one of my favorites from Myfirstwig. My first wig has really been killing it, and I'm not just saying this just to say this. Like, I've tried their wigs 10 years ago, girl, and this is crazy. This is crazy how good their wigs are. Like, top 10, okay, I would say. Top 10 category. So, yeah, y'all, if you have any questions about this unit, feel free to ask me. All information about this unit is down in the description, along with the products that I use, which I didn't have to do much, okay? And that's why I like Myfirstwig, okay? Myfirstwig has some really good quality, long-lasting wigs, because I have some wigs from like 6 years ago that I still wear, okay? So, yeah, y'all, this is about it. If you do have any questions, like I said, let me know. Okay, let me know. And I was feeling this. And as always, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.